Anomalous behavior of water. Student, we all know that when any substance start cooling, it get contract and therefore its density increases. When water starts cooling, its density increases like that of most liquids. This happens at normal temperature. But when its temperature falls below 4 degrees centigrade, its density starts decreasing. Therefore, the density of water is maximum at 4 degrees centigrade. That is, when the temperature of water falls below 4 degrees centigrade, its density starts decreasing. That is, its volume increases. Therefore, density decreases. Volume increases, that is, water start to expand, and this behavior of water is called anomalous behavior. When the temperature of the water is lowered below 4 degrees centigrade, its density decreases and its volume increases. This is called as anomalous behavior of water. In the previous class, we have learned that water is called as universal solvent because many substances are easily dissolved in water. So what is the dissolving? When any substance completely mixes with the water, then it is called as it is dissolved in water. The substances that completely dissolves in any liquid are called as soluble substance. For example, salt completely dissolves in water. Therefore, it is called as salt is soluble in water. During the process of dissolution, solute mix in the solvent and forms a solution. So we get the three terms, that is solute, solvent and solution. So what is a solute? The substance that dissolves is called as solute. The substance in which the solute dissolves is called as solvent. And solution, what we get when the solute dissolves in the solvent? It is a solution. For example, salt is a substance that dissolves in the solvent, that is water here. So salt is called as solute. What is a solvent? Water is a solvent here because water is a substance in which salt is dissolved. And solution, the resultant mixture of the salt and water is called as a solution. That is, when solute dissolves in the solvent, we get solution. Uses of water according to its properties. Water is fluid substance, that is, it can flow. Therefore, it is used to generate electricity. Water is good coolant. Therefore, it is used in motor vehicles to control the temperature of the engine. Water is universal solvent. Therefore, it is used as a solvent in many factories, laboratories, foodstuffs, and in various biological processes of the body. Water is cleaning agent. Therefore, it is used for bathing, cleaning, washing clothes, and for drinking purpose.